Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Nationwide. Nationwide means extending or reaching throughout whole nation. For example, a nationwide hunt. A nationwide hunt. Synonyms: national, countrywide, state.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. His Stoke-on-Trent station broadcasts nationwide and to some European countries. Now, repeat after me. His Stoke-on-Trent station broadcasts nationwide and to some European countries. The second exemplar. It has grown into a nationwide insurrection by disillusioned suburban youths. Now, repeat after me. It has grown into a nationwide insurrection by disillusioned suburban youths. The third exemplar. In Greece, a 4-hour nationwide strike against war paralyzed the country. Now, repeat after me. In Greece, a 4-hour nationwide strike against war paralyzed the country.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word alphabet comes from the first two letters of the Greek alphabet, alpha, beta.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.